Welcome to the Chase Bank Account tutorial, a step-by-step guide on how to open a Chase Bank account. To get started, you will need to gather the required documents, which include a valid government-issued ID, social security number, and proof of address. First, visit the Chase Bank website or mobile app to begin the application process. Click on the Open an Account button and select the type of account you want to open, such as a checking or savings account. You will then be prompted to enter your personal details, including your name, address, and date of birth. Next, you will need to provide your identification documents, which can be uploaded online or taken to a local Chase Bank branch. You will also need to fund your account, which can be done by transferring money from an existing account or making a deposit at a local branch. Once you have completed the application process, you will receive an email with instructions on how to verify your account. This will typically involve entering a verification code sent to your phone or email. After verification, your account will be active and you can start using it to manage your finances. It is also important to note that Chase Bank offers a range of account options, including student accounts, business accounts, and retirement accounts. Each account type has its own set of benefits and requirements, so it is worth researching to find the one that best suits your needs. In addition to opening an account online, you can also visit a local Chase Bank branch to speak with a representative. They will be able to guide you through the application process and answer any questions you may have. Overall, opening a Chase Bank account is a straightforward process that can be completed online or in person. By following these steps and providing the required documents, you can have a new account up and running in no time.